So good evening, everyone. Welcome to tonight's session. Welcome to tonight's session. I hope we are all ready and fully ready to learn. Please, if you can hear my voice clearly, please drop a message in the comment section, in the comment box. Let me know you can hear me clearly. Can you hear me clearly? Mr. Gorede, I've replied your message on the WhatsApp group. Good evening. Can everyone hear me tonight? I love the energy tonight. So welcome, everyone. Welcome. We have so much to do in the space of just 1 hour. So I'm trying to delay a bit so that when I pick up, I will not have to repeat myself. I will not have to repeat myself for people that come late. So I'm trying to delay a bit, but I cannot delay beyond the next 1 minute because we have so much to cover. There's so much I want to talk about tonight. And I wish everyone is here to hear this and not miss any part of it. So if you have created the Bamboo, if you have downloaded the Bamboo app and you have set up your account, either you have funded it or not, take a screenshot of it and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let me know how many people followed my instruction yesterday. If you have signed up on Bamboo and then you have created an account, you have funded or you have not funded, take a screenshot of it and send it to my WhatsApp. You can cover the sensitive information. I don't need your information. I just need to know how many people followed my instruction yesterday. So I'll be waiting for that while I proceed. I'll be waiting for that while I proceed. And please, I believe that you have a lot of questions already. And then I hope you know that I'm here to answer. I'm going to answer all your question. Either it is on stock market, crypto market, forex market, and even real estate. I might not be able to answer real estate market totally, but those other three, leave it to me. I'm proficient in all of them. I can answer your question, all your questions tonight on them. So if you have any other question, if you have any question, this tonight is I'm going to try as much as possible to round up and do everything we want to do concisely in time so that we can have enough time for questions. Because by this time next week, this group will have been closed, will have done convocation, so to say, will have ended this program. You will have been um, moved into another platform for people that are willing to continue following the Asset School as the Asset School um, brand. So that's it tonight. I'm waiting to I'm waiting to hear from you guys. Send me your messages. Okay, so where do we start from tonight? Where do we start from tonight? So let me quickly show you a few things. For people that are here tonight, or let me not show that yet. Let me just continue. So now I was trying to find a way to project my phone screen, but I'm not able to do it, and that's going to be very painful for me tonight because I really wanted you to see what is on my phone because my Bamboo app, my other apps are on my phone. So, but there's no problem. Depending on the questions and the challenges we report to be having, I can do a screen recording video on my phone and drop it on the group if need be. But tonight, let me start with showing you what the Bamboo app, the Bamboo website looks like, and all the things that they are into. Before we now get into all of the things I said we are going to do. So tonight, permit me to share my screen. Okay, please confirm you can see my screen. Confirm you can see Bamboo on my screen. Let me be sure of that before I proceed tonight. Okay, so now look at it. This is the And then I'm also saying it is not only we have Chaka, we have um, Rice Vest. So these are different alternative, different broker that can help you get your investment in the stock market started. Any of them you choose to use is okay by me. It's just like I said, it's like we bought the same shoe, but it came in different packages. So I'm not really bothered whichever one you use. But then it's okay. I'm able to guide you well if you use the one I use, so that whatever you probably go through or going through, I myself probably will have probably encountered it before, and I may be able to just provide some guidance. So that said, let's get into the research, and I want us to do a research tonight. So let's do a scenario search. I want somebody to give us a particular figure, a realistic figure of how much that you want us to invest, and then we'll now say that, for example, we want to invest 100k. How best do you What do you advise, Peter? What do you advise? How do you advise we invest 100k? And we'll practically take that down step by step. How do you do that? So I want somebody to give me a figure. Give me a figure that you want us to invest in the stock market, and then give me a figure of return you also want that money to to produce. If it is realistic, I will tell you. If it is not, I will tell you. So that's what I want us to do tonight. I want it to be fully practical. So give me a figure, capital, give me a figure, interest or profit or dividends that you want from that money. The passive income you want to use that capital to create. I'm waiting in the comments or the WhatsApp page. Give me a figure. Do you understand my question? I'm saying that give me a figure of a particular certain amount for capital. Give me a figure of a certain amount of passive income you want to use that capital to make in the market. And then I will now take it step by step, break it down. We'll be able to put in place all of those things I thought yesterday, and how to get them done. For the person that was asking about the Nigerian stock market yesterday, this is it. If you are looking for, this is the details. Now, I was talking about the market capitalization. You can check it here, but let me just Google it. So it's around 17 trillion naira. So it's currently around 17 trillion. That is even as at December 2022, 17 trillion naira. So if we divide 17 trillion by what is the market, what is the dollar rate today? Now let's now see the capitalization of the US market. Okay, let's start with Apple. Now I'm currently using one of those apps I have recommended, which is TradingView. This is where I do all my most of my analysis. I'm trying not to do anything complicated here so that I don't lose anybody. So okay, thank you for that. Mr. Kuridi said $100 as the capital, and then $250 as the return on investment. The return on investment in 3 months. Now, on a practical level, I won't say that is not possible in the stock market, but with what I'm teaching, I wouldn't advise you to go that route, or let me just say it is not possible, because what you are going to get from here is not in the light of doubling your money, because we are Nigerians. We are used to all those risky investments that are promising you 100% or 300% in 3 months. If it is possible and sustainable, do you think Dangote will not do it to double your money, triple your money, and all of that? So the best way to grow money is to grow it slow. That's the most sustainable way. So when I was talking yesterday and I said some companies have been paying dividends for 50 years, do you think they got there by paying um, 2 times your capital as dividends? I mean, I want us to just be practical and realistic tonight. I'm going to be showing us few things anyway. The dividends that are possible in the market are dividends of, say that okay, I saw someone there say 250,000 investment and I'm expecting to raise £1,000,000 from it. I won't say you won't raise it, but thank God you didn't even put duration. It will take you years to raise that. It will take you years to raise that. Now let me continue what I was doing. Where is it again? So I'm sorry to disappoint you. You can't raise that from this market. That $250 in 3 months. You can't raise that from this market. The idea of the way I want you to think of the stock market is where you put your money for gradual growth and then less risk. So if you are saying that you want to turn $100 or 250,000 naira into 1 million in a crypto market or the forex market, I would say very possible, very very possible. Yes, but then after you've done that, you cannot always get that result in the crypto market. If you do 2x and then from 2x you do 4x, if your care is not taken, you will lose everything. Ask all the people that have been in the market. So, and that's why it is important that you always take profit from the market. So when you take profit from the market, what do you do with it? Do you just spend? No, you put it in a slow asset, an asset that has some that has a lower level of risk and have the capacity to keep your money and still give you some level of growth. So that is what we are talking about here. This is what we are talking about here. So I raised a question that I was trying to answer. We checked the capitalization of the Nigerian stock market and we saw that it's around what, 17 trillion naira. Now look at Apple alone. Apple alone is what, 2.8 trillion dollars. So if you do 2.8 trillion times, let's even say the exchange rate is 650. The unified exchange rate, 650 times 2.8. Now, what is next after trillion? Honestly, I don't know. So because if you do that 2.8 times 650, which is to convert it to naira, it's already giving me 12 digits, not 6, not 12. I mean, not 9 digits anymore, but 12 digits. I mean 15 digits, because 6 digits is million, 9 digits is billion. Am I right? 12 digits is trillion, 15 digits, I don't know what that one is. So Apple alone is bigger than the whole Nigerian stock market. So why play in that pond when you can play in the what? In the deep sea. So that answered that from yesterday. So let me go to what I'm talking about. So, but I will still work with the $100 one. So how do you invest $100? Let's start with that. So if I'm to invest $100, what will I do? $100 is relatively 65 70,000, right? So let's even say that I want to invest. Let's say I want to invest 100,000 naira. Let's even talk in terms of naira. 100,000 naira. So how do I invest 100,000 naira? What are the things I need to do? So now this is where the job gets easier. This is where it gets easier. Just go to Google. Like I said yesterday, as a beginner, you should invest money in ETF and not individual stocks. But it depends on you. So let me say ETF with best dividend. So here we are on Google with different ETFs with the best dividends. So look at this. Let's take this for example, Vanguard High Dividends Yield Index. So which is VYM. So now I hope someone is following me. Go to TradingView and type VYM. So click on see overview. If you know a bit about technicalities, you can also check the chart. But what is the most important, since you are investing long term, you want to check the news. But let's go a little bit down on overview. So let's check morning brew. So you can also check Yahoo Finance. I'm going to be showing you some number of tools that you can use and how to use them. So Yahoo Finance, VYM. So since all of these things are not working tonight, VYM, let's type VYM. So whatever you need to know about it, you just search it on Google. It's not hard. So Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF is up 2.14% today. Everything you need to know about it is here. So, but what we are actually looking for, because you are targeting what? You are targeting dividends. What you are looking for is how much they pay in terms of dividends. How much is the last payment? Now, while you are searching on Google, last, how much is the last dividend payment for VYM? So while you are doing that, so you say that when VIM is ex-dividends date, VIM previous ex-dividend date was on March 19. So March 19 they pay dividends. Shareholder who own VIM ETF before this date receive VIM latest dividend payment of 0.72 per share. Remember, we are trying to invest 100,000 naira. So let's first go and check the price of VIM. VIM is $103. So if we let's use a flat rate. If dollar is, let's assume dollar is 700 flat. So our 100k will be how much? 100. I need responses so that I can know you are following me. 100k divided by 700. So we have $142 to invest. So how much of UIM will our $142 buy? So $142 divided by 103.9. 103.9. So it will buy 1.37. That's what it will buy. It will buy 1.37. 1.37 VYM. Are you following me? So that's what our $100, I mean 100,000 naira will buy. So we bought at the rate of 103, and if we go by this interest, they paid 0.72 per share last March. So the next payment will be April, May, June. The next payment will be in this June. Another dividends, they are going to pay dividends in this June. If you want to know specific dates, this is how to check it. I just hope I've not lost somebody by me moving up and down on this chart. So you can know the date, the dividend date, by checking charts on TradingView, or you can just Google it straight. I think it's simple, or it's simpler if you just Google straight. Because some are not even show you everything you want on the. So we can as well just Google it. When is the next dividend payout for VYM? So we'll do a search and we'll get it. It's a quarterly, they pay quarterly. So a faster way is to go into your Bamboo app. So if you are with your Bamboo app now, log in into the app, right now, click on invest, click on the search button, and then type VYM. It will come up. In fact, it is even 104.05 on VYM. And there's another one, VYMI. That one is $63. But let's go with the first one. So the reason I showed you all of this long way is so that you can appreciate the shorter way if you are using your app straight, which is Bamboo or any other one you are using. So now, don't miss that step. Log in into your Bamboo app. Log into your Bamboo app. So log into your Bamboo app, click on invest, search for VYM, click on it. You will see that they will say market is closed. Yes, we know today is Sunday. Thank you. Now go to scroll down. If you want to set it for a particular price, let's say you want to buy when the price reach a particular amount, you can see price alert there. I feel that some people are not getting me, so let me do something. Let me do screenshots so that I will put it on the group. So the first thing, click on the Bamboo app, log in. So if you are not getting what I'm saying, just go back to the WhatsApp now. I'm dropping some screenshots already. So the first thing is log in through the Bamboo app. So the second thing, click on invest. So after you click on invest, search VYM. So search for it, then click on it. I hope you guys are following what I'm showing. Scroll down. So what you need to know about it is under About Us. Go to financials. So to know the dividends, you come to financials. That's where I'm going exactly. Just go to financials. And here you have the dividends. So sorry for that. There was a little issue with the network. So sorry for that. So please confirm you can still hear me, please. So now that you know how to check the dividends, now that you know how to check the dividends, you can also use that same method to check any and every other thing instead of, so you can either get your information on Google or get it on the app. But I recommend that you check both so that you can know um exactly, you can compare and contrast. So let me also use this same method to check for another ETF. So I'm going to drop an ETF in the comment section and on WhatsApp now. I want you to track it and give me, I want you to check and give me the dividends yield. So the ticker is JEPY, and then for some people, another person go check VOO for me, and then let somebody else check um which other one. So I'm waiting. At least you have two things to check. Go check for JEPY. Go check for VOO. Just follow the step I gave and check for those ones. You can as well tell me the full meaning of those two. At least that will show me that you really saw them. Now, while I'm waiting for that, I'm going to drop a screenshot in the WhatsApp group. I want you to see something that I mentioned yesterday. So in this particular account I'm using to do screenshots, I have just three stock there, and I'm going to drop that so that you can see what I'm saying. I want to point at something. I said that the Bamboo have a feature that I love. It helps you um, peep into other people's portfolio. Please don't just say because you saw some stock in my portfolio, you go and buy them. If you look at my portfolio, I have JPY, I have Tesla, and I have VO in this particular account. I have other ones in other account, but now see where what I'm showing you. Check it out. You will see that featured team. What we searched for, you can as well click on Temi or Tedola portfolio. you can know what a mere $30 is investing into. So these are our investments. Of course, you cannot know the amount, but you can only know the stock she's holding. So let me also do for VAS. What's the bad guy? No, I could have made all of this into a slide, but I want you to see them real life so that once I'm showing you, you can be checking them also by yourself. That's why I decided not to do anything like that tonight. So if you are looking at the best performing ETF for 20 for 2022 or 2023, so in all those feature teams, you can see a lot of things that can help you make some decision. You can see fixed income ETFs. So you can let me show you Warren Buffett portfolio. That's not all of it though, but I just wanted you to see what I'm talking. What I was mentioning yesterday about you shadowing what the rich and wealthy are doing. So by now you should have gotten my question. So who is answering my question? What is the dividend yield for JEPY? I can't see any answer yet. The price of JEPY currently is $54. So JPI is JP Morgan Exchange Traded Fund. The price is 41,266 at the moment in naira and $54 37 naira 37 cents rather in dollars. So what is the dividend yield of JEPY? It's 10%, far higher than the one we checked earlier. So please, if you have a question, please drop it. So for VOO, I'm dropping for VOO also. So I believe you've been able to understand few things and how to use all of these things. Just check your WhatsApp. I've dropped a lot of things there. So I'll be waiting for your question while I show you something that I believe is exciting. I have a gift for everyone that is ready to grow, you know, and truly master this market. So give me a few minutes. Imagine what we're looking for since we now saw it now. So look at this. You might want to bookmark this website as well. Tip rank. Thank you, beautiful ambassador. Thank you so much for that, that detailed information. Now, I want you to pay attention to the last thing I want to say tonight. I need you to pay attention to the last thing I want to discuss tonight. So I want you to see something. See this file. Look at this. So let me start with the crypto videos. See all of these videos, they are what I give my paid students. See the date on them. They are 2 years ago. You can see 2021. So they are videos that have helped people understand the market very well. So look at this also. Stock video 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me allow you preview some of them. Hope the network will help tonight. There's no way, if I give you access to all of these videos, there's no way you will go through them. There's no way you will go through them and still say that you don't know what to do in the market. You cannot. You have lost your ignorance. You will lose your ignorance totally without being able to, restore. The ignorance will be totally gone. Here I was talking about Tesla and all of that. So this is what I want to do tonight. I'm going to give you a very simple task. A very simple task tonight. Look at all of these videos. I'm ready to give you all for free. What people have paid for. If you listen to those videos, you will see that there are videos of private classes I had with people. Paid private classes. And I'm ready to give them all to you for free. Indices video. This is where I discussed trading indices. Stock video. The only one I will not release in this file is this forex video, because I don't have the what should I say? It is not my intellectual property. These two videos are from my mentor, and he did not give me the right to share them. But these books, they are mine. I can share them. I have the right to share all of them. See how they are plenty for forex trader. You cannot consume half of this book and say you don't know what to do in the forex market again. It is impossible. Now, so what is the task that you want that you think I want to ask you to do tonight? What do you think is the task for you to have access to all of this? It is very simple, and some of you have done it already. I need you guys to look for the Access School Africa, and then Peter Akinola on all social media. Make sure it is me. Follow me on my YouTube channel here. Subscribe, like 5 of my videos. Now, for me to know you've done that, you do a screenshot of all of those following, send it to my private WhatsApp message, and drop your email address, and I will add you to this thing. I will give you access to all of this file. So after you've gotten access to all of this file, it is now left to you, you know, if you want to make money and understand these markets thoroughly or not, because you can't study all of this video and what and not be able to and not have that knowledge, because I literally poured all I know into all of this video. Remember, there were videos of paid clients, so I give them my best. Look at it. I have 5 videos here. The shortest of them is 20 minutes. That's for stock. This is for crypto. You can see 5 videos. Trading crypto for quick gain, part 1, part 2. Trading crypto for short term gain. Securing your crypto account using coin calendar and ICO list. And then, so I hope you understand what I said you should do tonight. To have access to this thing, go to all of my social media accounts. I'm saying that go to YouTube, subscribe, do a screenshot, send to me. Look for 5 videos that you like them, screenshot it to me. Go to Instagram, follow Peter Akinola, follow Access School. Go to Twitter, follow Peter Akinola, follow Access School. Go to Facebook, follow Peter Akinola, follow Access School. Go to TikTok, follow Access School. Drop all of those screenshots for me, and you have access to this. So whichever one is easier for you, either you pay for this or you do that simple task. Do you understand my point? It is that simple. So I want to take questions tonight. Maybe your questions will drive us into other things that we can do tonight. I want to take questions tonight. Please shoot me all your questions. Please, I can't see any question. Any question for me tonight? Either for in the stock market, crypto markets, or anything, anyone at all. So while I'm waiting, basic requirements, just have an account. Have an account with Bamboo or Trove or any of these. We did that yesterday. Just if you are not clear, just go watch yesterday's video, or you do the tasks I listed and get access to all this list of videos that will equip you and help you understand, all of these things. But the basic requirement is for you to have an account with a broker, and you are good to go. So we said we should use the link on the group, download the Bamboo app, set up your account, and you are good to go. So I want to show you what I'm talking about. So for you to have access to what I said, those videos, come to my YouTube channel. Click on subscribe. Subscribe will be somewhere here. Click on the subscribe button. Look for any of my videos that you think you love. So like these videos, like any of those videos, then take a screenshot and send to me. So, and I have a lot of videos that you can like. You can see there's a lot of videos here that you can like, a lot of them. Then go to Facebook. Search for Asset School. Search for Asset School Africa and follow. Follow Asset School Africa. Take a screenshot of that and send to me. Do the same on Twitter and on TikTok. Send all of that to me and you are good to go. And then drop your email address. That means you qualified for the access I spoke about. So, in the absence of no other question, let me say thank you so much for being part of this session tonight, and thank you for being part of the whole School of Asset Management. And let me also tell you that it is not ending here. It is not ending. There's so much more to learn. There's so much to do together. So it is important that you continue this journey with us by following and liking all our social media handles, so that all the information that are going out, you can take part in it. We have content that would help you on all our social media accounts. We have daily crypto tips, daily forex tips, daily stock market tips that you don't want to miss. And we have other content that really benefit you. Other content that will really benefit you. So you can also click on the link I dropped sometimes in this week and join our Telegram channel, or just go to Telegram and search for Asset School Africa, then join the channel so that you can stay in touch with us. So thank you for being part of the School of Asset Management. So far, it's been an awesome time. So if you have enjoyed this session so far, I will appreciate that you go on our social media handles and write good comments, write good information about us, review us, and tell the world what we are doing right. So I'm going to be listing what you are going to get for me for free in the group so that everyone can see it, and I'm going to be also putting the condition to have access to them in the group. So if there's no other question, thank you so much for joining tonight. Do have a awesome night rest and do have a productive week ahead. Thank you so much. See you at the top of the topmost top. Good night.